Students, now let's do some exercises of the simple present tense. Open your grammar textbook, page number 49. Lesson number 19, go, goes, do, does. Now see here, A. Here one table is given. We have to frame sentences. For example, with I, we, you, they, Ritu and Amit, both two names are here. So with them we use the verb form without adding s or es. And with he, she, Ritu, Amit, right? Here one name is given and he and she. So with them we use the verb form with adding es or s. Right? This we have already known in the explanation video. Now let's frame. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. We go to sleep at 10 o'clock. You go to sleep at 10 o'clock. They do the homework in the afternoon. Ritu and Amit do the homework in the afternoon. Right? Now let's make from he, she, Ritu and Amit. He goes to sleep at 10 o'clock. Right? Here we use go, but here he is there. That's why goes. She goes to sleep at 10 o'clock. Ritu does the homework in the afternoon. Here if we use both name together, Ritu and Amit, two persons, then we use do. But here only Ritu, then does. Ritu does the homework in the afternoon. Amit does the homework in the afternoon. Right? Now B. Tick the correct words in the brackets. Here in brackets, two verb forms are given. We have to tick the correct one. She speaks. Very good English. What we will take, speak or speaks? Correct, speaks. Because with she we will choose the verb with s. My father teaches me new words. Teach or teaches? Correct, teaches. They makes a lot of noise in the class. There is more than one. So without s, make. If only one person, then adding s or es. Without and more than one, then without s. A river flows near our village. River flows. We crosses this river by a boat. That's why cross. More than one person. Our parents loves us. Our parents too, father and mother both. So love. The baby drinks milk every day. One baby is there, so drinks. 8. Our school opens at 7 in the morning. Our school opens. Every day one school is there, so opens. And every day opening at 7 a.m. Right? So opens. You remembers the phone numbers of your friends. That's why remember. Right? I loves to watch cartoon movies on TV. I love. With I always we keep the verb without s or es. With you also we always keep the verb without s or es. Next exercise on page number 50. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words given in the brackets. Here we have to write the correct form of doing word. We blank to play chess. We blank to play chess. We, to, right? That's why we will write only like. L-I-K-E. We like. Second, Mrs. Menon always blank an umbrella with her. Always, see her habit to keep the umbrella with her. So carry. So what we will write? Carries. But here what we will do? Here Y is there. So we will write I-E-S. Carries. Right? Because Y is here. So we will remove Y and add I-E-S. They blank to God in the morning. They, two one boy and one girl. So they pray without adding s or es. A cobbler blank our shoes. Cobbler, one person. So cobbler mends our shoes. Nidhi always blank her hands with soap. Nidhi wash, so washes, because sh is given. So when any verb form end with sh, we add es. Sixth, Subhash blank the car carefully. Subhash, one person, drive, so drives. Right? When any one name is given, we have to add s or es. Here e is already given, so we will add only s. The students blank white shirts and white shorts in summer. Students, not one but more than one. So students wear. We will not add here s. Mr. Mehta blank vegetables in his kitchen garden grow. Mr. Mehta, one person, so grows. Grows, grows. So these 8 sentences we have completed. Students, now let's do exercises on page number 51. D. This is Rahul's daily routine in the morning. Here is given Rahul's daily routine and he is describing. Let's read. As soon as I get up, I say good morning to everybody. I brush my teeth and take a bath. I wear my uniform and put on my shoes. I comb my hair. I take my breakfast and leave for school. See, now Richa has the same routine. Write Richa's routine below. Now here Richa has the same routine. So we have to write here Richa's routine. So we have to write as soon as, let's write as soon as, instead of I we will write Richa. As soon as Richa we will write here gets up. Gets up. Instead of I for Richa we will use she. She says good morning. To everybody. I brush my teeth and take a bath. Instead of I, here we will write Richa. Richa brushes her teeth and takes. Instead of take, we will write takes. Takes a bath. I, instead of I, we will write she also. She wears her uniform and puts on her shoes. Her shoes. She combs her hair. Right, instead of my we are talking about Richa, so we'll write her hair. She takes her breakfast and instead of leave we will write leaves for school. So here we have changed Instead of I, we have written here Richa and she, and with Richa and she, wherever there are verb forms, we have added s or es, right? So you also copy like this. Then see here E. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words given in the brackets. Here in brackets, doing words are given. We have to put the correct verb form. Here, the process of butterfly, how butterfly created, right, from caterpillar is given. So, let's read. A butterfly blank eggs. One butterfly, so lays eggs on leaves. These eggs, now more than one, so hatches after some time, and caterpillars come, because more than one caterpillars, so come out. These caterpillars, again more than one, so we will not add here as also, feed on leaves and grow bigger, because here we are talking about caterpillars, more than one, so we will not add s. After some times, now a caterpillar, one, we are talking about one caterpillar, so makes a hard case for itself. It stays, here it is there, so we will add here s. It stays inside this case for a few days. Right? When the hard case breaks, a beautiful butterfly comes out. It immediately flies away. We are talking about one. So, flies, flies away. Here from caterpillar, how butterfly is created, that process is given. So you write like this in your grammar textbook.